Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a very powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, we are going to be adding the moving average as our first indicator. As you can see, we have a moving average here. So these are the properties for the moving average. The period is 10, the shift is 0, method is exponential, applied to its close. Now the time frame, you make it all time frame. The style, you make it color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Alright, and this blue line here will be added to your chart. Okay, and the next indicator we have here is the awesome oscillator. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this plus icon, then you search for your stochastic oscillator. Now this the setup. Okay, you can use the default setting for the stochastic oscillator, but you need to make this 4 pixel. All right, the both of them, the green you make it 4 pixel, the volume up, right, make it 4 pixel color green, volume down 4 pixel. All right, you make it 4 pixel also. So after that, you click on done. All right, and you are going to have this red and green line here on your charts. Okay, now the next indicator we have here is the relative strength index. All right, as you can see, after the stochastic we have the the moving average. Okay, the moving average. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this second plus icon again to add your moving average. So the period for this one is 1, the shift is 0, method is exponential, applied to its previous indicator's data, right, the second to the last one here. Now the level, you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. The style, you make it color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. That is it for the moving average. All right, the last indicator we have here is the relative strength index. Okay, so you are going to be clicking on this plus icon again, then you search for your relative strength index. The period is 1, applied to its close. The level we have 15 and 85. All right, the style, you make the color red, 3 pixel, you click on done. Time frame, all time frame. Now for this style, you make it color white, the color of your background, and you make the pixel 1 pixel, the last pixel. All right, after that you click on done. Now this is the moving average. This blue line you are seeing here is the moving average, and the relative strength index is this red line. All right, we need it for the level, so you're going to have this. So once you have set everything correctly as I've explained, you are going to have a screen like this one. All right, you are going to have a screen like mine. Okay, so before I start explaining the strategy, I want to quickly remind you guys about my powerful boom and crash strategy, the VIP strategy for growing a $5 account. Okay, with this strategy I'm talking about, you can grow as little as a $5 account or any account size, so long as you can use it to open a position in the market. All right, so if you are interested in getting the strategy, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do make sure to message me directly, and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. All right, so that is that for that. All right, now back to the business of the day, which is our strategy, the strategy right here. All right, how does this strategy work? As you can see, it's a very simple strategy to understand, but it gives profitable results. Okay, now the first condition is that you want to see a spike in the market. All right, so once there is a spike, all right, you check your indicator window here. You want to see this blue, the green, and the red line gets to the overbought level, as you are seeing here now. All right, this is boom 1000. Okay, so once it gets to this level, you look on your main chart. Okay, you look at the main chart like this. Now you see these small candles, the red one, because this is a scalping strategy. We want to use it to take few candles from the market and then we exit. Okay, so now here on the main chart, you want to see this red candlestick cross below the blue line. All right, so once it gets below the blue line, once it closes below the blue line, just as you are seeing here, once the candle crosses and closes below the blue line, you go in immediately for 5 candles. Now immediately it gets to the overbought level here, you're going to see the candle, the line here, it will be green. Right now, if it changed to red, that is a confirmation that the price is about to reverse. Right now it will start changing to red from this area here, as you can see. Then before, the final condition is when it crosses below the blue line. All right, so once it crosses below the blue line, you pick your 5 candles. Right, you pick your 5 candles and you exit the market. Okay, now that is how it works. Now for the zoom level, you zoom out completely, then you zoom in 1, 2. All right, you can use this zoom level. So far you can see what you are doing in the market. So far you can see the candlestick. All right, and you can see your indicator changing from green to red. Then you can use this zoom level, or you can use this one. You can use this one, and you can use this one also, this one right now. Okay, so the zoom level doesn't really matter. You can use the one that suits you. Okay, so that is how the strategy works. It's a very simple strategy to understand. Now you can see here's another example. Once it gets to the overbought level and it starts changing to red, wait for it to cross the blue line, right, and you go in for your 5 candles. Okay, so what I want you guys to do now is to backtest the strategy. All right, make sure to backtest it. Once you see that it's working for you, then you can go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, it's as simple as that. And make sure to stick to 5 candles only. Don't take more than 5 candles so that you will not blow your account. Okay, so I think that is going to be all for this one, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. If you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please do make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Thanks for watching, guys. Silver out.